So we've got a horizontal rule here, and you might ask yourself, can we make this any more exciting? Absolutely. So let's go and take a look. First of all, if we end up taking a look at our DOM, we'll see that we have our HR tag. Again, there's no magic here. The React create element ends up adding to the root of our document this HR tag. Well, let's go over here. Let's put a style in here. Let's style this HR. Let's see how we would do that. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to specify that the red style, the way that you end up styling HR is you do with the border property. So I'm going to say border solid 1 pixel red. All right, this is not going to end up doing anything, so I'm not using this. So how would I go about adding classes to my React element? So React understands DOM tags. It knows about DOM tags. How would I end up adding a class name here? Well, there's other things that you could end up sending to React create element. And what I'm going to do here is this second object are called properties. And what I could end up doing here, one of the properties I could end up sending here is to say that I want to end up using a class. So this is an object that I'm sending to React element. And if I just went over here and I said, hey, look, use the class of red, this is just an object, and this is just JavaScript, and I went to run that, it would work, but React doesn't really like this because, in fact, class is a reserved word, and that's why you see this in bold case here. So really, to get this, what would be a warning to go away, I could end up doing class name. And then I end up seeing that warning end up going away. So one of the things that we're seeing here is that we have the ability to have this second property, which are props, that we can end up adding to this. And you know, the thing to realize here is that, again, under the covers, React is creating these elements. Again, if we go and take a look at this, we'll see that it's going to have a class of red. And again, that's through that second property, the second argument to React create element, which are called the props, or the properties that are going to be on this HR. It's also worth noting here, if you decided, hey, look, I like to do my tags capitalized. If you attempted to do that, what you'll end up seeing here is, again, another warning. It'll work, but it's going to say you really shouldn't end up doing that. So if we want that to go away, we can end up getting it to go away.